Hello channel viewers, my name is Jean. Thank you for joining me on this MRO epic in which we examine either an industrial complex and or mining operation on Mars in a place called Badwater Crater. And may I also add the images of this area on Mars of really bad quality as well, all due respect to NASA. Even the high-rise page doesn't include a preview pic. I don't know if that says it all, but yes, the acquisition date 14th of April 2012, and although they used 1:1 binning at 25 centimeters per pixel, the 1.4 gigabytes for the JP2 is really not worth it. Let me show you guys what the JP2 looks like. At first glance, it seems relatively good quality till you zoom in. It's just speckles wherever you look. You can't really extract much detail from it. So, bad water, bad image quality, what can we say? All I could really use it for was confirm the image scale and the scale indicator that I'll show you just now. So it's a very interesting area of Mars, and I speculate that this must have been some type of industrial complex or mine. Check out the geometry in these lines. These look like possible roadways or transport routes. Who knows? Possibly even walls. So that's the cropped image from the low-res JPEG, which is of much higher quality than the JP2, may I add. And this is the CTX page. I'll include the link below, and also the CTX or context camera image is of a much higher quality than the JP2. So this is from the CTX zoomed out, and this is the area we'll be checking out. So the top part has these rectangular portions sort of carved into the surface. Check out the straight lines, right angles, and then, as I say, these are either some type of walls or possible roadways, who knows. This is towards the middle of the image. So check out the geometry in shapes. Could these be roadways? Some type of transport system, walls, or top of a grid, as I've shown in previous videos. And this is the bottom part. So all in all, very interesting. And if you look at the scale, the average size of one of these squares or rectangles is approximately 200 meters in length, and there's this really dark spot towards the east of that complex, and I've zoomed in up close, and there's no information or detail in this dark spot, so I'm not sure what was there, and why would dust devils only be concentrated in this area. It is really strange. So if we look at the zoomed out image, you'll see there's a couple of smaller areas where these so-called dust devils have touched down, like there for example, and there. But then why are they so concentrated in this area? It's very, very strange. Maybe that's where the bad water is located. And that reminds me of a similar sort of structure that I featured in one of my previous videos, but the sides of these are about 3 kilometers, so much larger in scale. Could they be similar type of structures? I don't know. So let's quickly hop on over to Google Earth, take a look at the photographs there. So let's go to this one, the so-called industrial complex or mining operation in Badwater. Just turn on the CTX mosaic, and even these look really poor. I don't know why NASA hasn't rescanned or rephotographed this area. Yeah, let's quickly, for scale, measure one of these sides. It's about 200 meters in length. Now let's quickly check where I found similar type of structures. That will be down to the south. Approximately 3,688 kilometers away, so very interesting. Let's quickly zoom out and rotate this thing the right way. So yeah, Badwater and due south is the large-scale farming or structure, and as I say, these sides approximately 3 kilometers in length. Very interesting. So why are the image quality for the Badwater Crater so bad? Could they be trying to hide something? Because if you do look at the JP2, there's a lot of artifacts, but you can't make out any detail because of all the salt and pepper. Really bad. So I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe and remember to turn on notifications so that you get informed as soon as I upload my next video. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.